And look at this idiot guy is still here. Now look at this, and this is just so cool. And that idiot, and also my whole family. And look at that, those are plushies. This is our whole family, and then everyone is here. Yeah. So whatever. Okay. And this is the thing. I mean, what thing? I mean the bathroom. So, also there is a second bathroom right here. Look at this bathroom. Yeah, it's, I don't know, whatever. Wait, let me show you this clearly. Yeah. Look at this. Look. Okay. And yeah. This is a house tour. Whatever. Well, look at this clip. What's this, dude? Whatever. And these are our plushies, cutie plushies. And this is my dad's phone. Look at this. Wait. Look at this mobile. Well, I can't show you the password. Look at this. Wait. No. Bro, no. And yeah, but this is my dad's phone. There are a lot of games, just like Stickman, Curse, Solar Smash, Roblox, Call of Duty, Wii Gaming, King Shot, Trap Master, Stickman, Curse, Flip a Clip. Let's go to Flip a Clip. Wait a minute. Okay, we're inside and look at this. Whoa, that's flashy. Yeah, whatever. Let's go to the cross. Are you serious? Okay, whatever. Okay, guys, we're back. And what's this? Wait, I forgot what's this. Oh yeah. Now yeah, guys, this is an epilepsy, so don't try it. Look at this. Yeah. Wait. What? Wait. Whoa. Do you like it, guys? Whatever. And this is my first flip a clip. As it. And yeah, whatever. Stop and go and do the squirrel. Flip a clip made this. Yeah, whatever. And look at this. Look at this. And yeah, this idiot again. Look at this. Whatever. And look, this is the, it's so good that I can't tell it. Whatever. Now we'll play Roblox. Everyone knows the Roblox icon. Yeah, standout games, extreme. Look at this. There's only 111. That's my main account. Look at this. And I have 0 Robux. I had some Robux, but wait. You can now send Robux? What do you mean? Are you serious? No, hello. Hi. Just don't look at me. Whatever. Yeah, I play Strongest Battlegrounds, and this much.
And he is playing games again.
Look at this. This is the weakest dummy update. Well, yeah, whatever. Okay, we're loading in.
Okay, guys, he is playing game. Let me just.
Oh, wait. How do I have KJ? Wait, whatever. Let's just leave. What do you mean, don't leave?
Bro,
Okay. Like that.
तो रमतो ना रमेश
Wait. Whatever. A technical issue. Whatever. Okay. Where is the create button? This is the create button. Now we'll. How do I have Roblox Studio in phone? Wait. Let me just download. What? Yeah. Whatever. Yeah, the Mac OS. What was that? Whatever. Well, there's everything to do with, just like Stellarium. Oh, look at the sun. Look at the sun. Wow. Okay, now Venus. Ooh. Okay.
That is cool.
Yeah, that's very cool.
Let me just tell
Oh my
and
gosh.
guys, it is an app and sponsored to wait.
What do you mean sponsored to?
I don't know. Such one.
Well, this is Venus, and yeah. Whoa, why is that 3D? And his video got cut. What? Why is everything blurred?
Sorry guys, my bad.
Part 2
Yeah.
of this guy. Whatever. Now, let's
I
explore.
don't know what he. Is that the grass?
Yeah. Wait, Borealis? Oh, Caus Borealis. Caus Borealis.
That is a star. Guys.
Yeah. Whatever. Let's go to Jupiter. Not Pollux. Jupiter. Center. Zoom. 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 Zoom.
Hypertrolix zone.
Hypertonic zone.
That is a tornado, guys. The circle thing.
Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It has a gas giant.
Protects Earth. Yeah, guys. Without Jupiter, Earth is dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
Okay. Whatever. The
Ow. The my.
this yapping stinks, dude.
Ow, my
What?
back. Sorry.
3D. What?
Let me just zoom in on you for a while.
Oh my god.
In.
Are you serious? Whatever. Is zooming in on me.
Zoom in. Zoom out.
Let's check out moon. Where's the moon? I want to go to the moon. Point your device up.
Wow.
Bro, where's moon? Oh,
So that's one. Done.
okay. We're going in. We're going in.
Done. Export.
What?
It will take a while. So let them just.
Are you serious? This is 3D. This is literally 3D, guys. 3D.
The third day.
Get a massive collection of sly objects up to Mach 22.
What are you saying?
Mach 22.
Mac 22.
Let me just go to Sun, my guy.
It looks a little bit stupid. The sun looks a little bit stupid.
Will black out. Nah. What's that phone thingy?
That is actually this camera.
I know. Okay, why is the
That is not white. That is yellow. Let me just zoom out for sorry guys. Yeah, there. It looks white in the camera, but in real life, it is yellow.
yeah?
Guys, bro
Whatever.
has come.
Oh, okay. Show him.
His groove. Guys, we're
The
about
baby is awake.
we are about to show our first baby. Look at this.
Second.
Baby,
I mean second baby. Look at this. He's so cute, right?
Third baby.
Yeah. He's so cute.
Yeah, guys.
Ochuku. Yeah, we're Gujarati. That's it. Odingu. Omaluchuku. Odingu. Yeah, we call like him like that.
Delete. And delete.
Wow.
Now make video. Goodbye.
Okay. Whatever.
Okay, guys. Part 2. And baby awake. Say hi to the camera.
Hey, don't get too close. The radiation of the phone will. The radiation of the phone will get it. Look at this. Movie gaming and Roblox. Let's go to Solar Smash. Oh. What? Wait.
My bubble drop. Let me just
What?
Serious? My bubble drop.
Let me just do auto rotate.
Solar Smash. Okay. Let's see. How do you play?
I just want to auto rotate. Oh,
Let's play.
let's just play Galaxy Smash.
What is that? The universe or what?
This is the Galaxy. Don't know.
know that.
Let me just do like that.
Let me just zoom in. It looks. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys. Up. And we like.
No. What's this? Whatever.
What's this? Papladis.
What? Oh my gosh. Whatever.
Are you controlling it?
Yeah.
Wait.
I'm just controlling it. Everyone is here. Oh. 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 Oh.
જેવીયાને બહુ આગળ આવ્યો ને બધું ખાવાની દે
The spreadiness.
હાથ
What?
તારો કે
Hello.
Oh my goodness gracious.
We are making a video.
ગાઈઝ હવે વિડિયો સ્ટોપ એન્ડ ફોન સાઈડમાં.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay, guys, bye bye.
Bye.
And if you want to like and subscribe. Bye bye.
चलो चलो स्टॉप कर दो, यही गया।